Harare Finance Minister David Mnangagwa's driver died suddenly at his hotel room on Sunday, hours after the ZANU-PF annual conference ended in Bulawayo. Zim Life can review. Sanapita mashoko anobuda panapationa kuti driver aiwa David Mnangagwa muza kuti aiwa ndo deputy finance minister nyika yeZimbabwe ari mwana mutungamiri wenyika Masodanzo Mnangagwa driver wake anoshaika. Sanapita mashoko amudanyuka panapita subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mnamoni gomchinzi. It is the latest mishap to behalf President Emmerson Mnangagwa's son, whose Harare home, which is guarded by police, was broken into twice and eventually set on fire by unknown individuals in June this year. Police were called to the Grace Inn Hotel in the early hours of Sunday, October 27, where they found Ishmael Maburisa already dead. Hotel sources said they suspected that he died from diabetic shock. Before his death, Maburisa had appeared at the hotel's reception shouting, "Get me food please," several times. It is thought he was having an episode of hyperglycemia or low blood glucose level, which can be reversed by eating or drinking carbohydrates. They gave him porridge, the only food that was there. He went back to his room, but after a short period he started twitching and convulsing as though he was having an epileptic episode, and he unfortunately died, the source said. No mashuwa anobuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa inguva aiwa it is said experience ationa kuti aiwa deputy minister anomwana wemutungamiri wenyika achiona driver wake achishaika. Tinoziva kuti aiwa kana pachinge paitika chinhu chakadai different versions enyaya anobuda, vanhu vachiona vachifunga kuti pamwe maybe pane attacks akaitika akazokuta maybe the deputy minister kana chibari. Pana tikuona kuti this source ratawana iri riri kuratidza kuti riri kurevhila the actual occurrence zvakaitika paground. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina komusection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.